I'm sure you've heard the news, but the situation in Khayelitsha is dire. Here's what you need to know. Right now, hundreds are homeless after gale force winds ripped through 6 informal settlements in Cape Town's Ward 99. Families are bracing for even more damage with extreme weather still on the horizon. Amid this chaos, the gift of the givers is stepping up. This heroic humanitarian organization is on the ground offering vital aid, but they're running out of resources. They've urgently advised residents to evacuate if possible and move away from danger. Their message is clear. We need all the help we can get. Let's join hands and support Khayelitsha in this critical time. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's make a difference together.